Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. In today's video, I'm going to be testing H&M makeup. I've been wanting to try their makeup for a very long time, but I was not really intrigued enough to try it. And also because I have, so much makeup, I was never really tempted enough to touch so much before the end of the night. So I have to get it out of my chest. I'm gonna hold you so tight. I haven't seen any tutorials, I haven't seen any reviews because I didn't want to be, maybe like influenced by some of the opinions. Even if we don't want to be influenced, we are influenced. So basically, I wanted to be super neutral when it comes to H&M makeup. I do have to say this. Every time I try makeup from a clothing brand, or like a brand that has not really anything to do with beauty, I'm not always a fan. But all judgments aside, I'm going to try some H&M makeup. So the first product I got was smoothing face primer, and this is the Flawless Base Primer. I love the packaging because it's very minimal. Love. And we are going to use this primer. Hopefully, I'm not going to break out. This is weird. I know this primer is new, but there's not like a seal thing. So it looks like this. There is nothing on the packaging. Like, it's just a smoothing face primer. It doesn't say like, I don't know, like it makes your pores look smaller, good for dry skin, hydrating, whatever. Okay, smoothing face primer. Let me get this hair out of the way. It does feel really, really good. Oh, wasn't expecting that. That feels really good. Very soft, indeed, very smoothing. Good, I love it so far, the feeling, And then the next thing I got is this all day liquid foundation, long lasting, medium coverage. They also sell stick foundations, but usually I'm not a fan of stick foundations, so that's why I got this one. I don't know if the color is going to be too light, but the shade I got is golden beige, so it feels very very light. So light, literally flies out of your hands. Even if this is going to be too light, I'm still going to try this because I do want to see if this is covering. Ooh, probably a little too light. But maybe we can work with a little bit of bronzer. Okay, I'm just going to use my stippling brush from BH Cosmetics. Oh, feels really good. I can't describe the smell, but it smells, I don't know, a bit cheap. If that's, I don't know if that's a thing. It does feel very light and very airy on the skin, as if my skin is still breathing. So I don't feel like I'm wearing anything. But, coverage-wise, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I do think it's light to medium. And it said medium. Maybe it's buildable. Maybe we can build it. I don't know. It reminds me of like a CC cream. Feels and it looks like second skin. But I just need a little bit more radiance. Also, you need to use quite a bit to get coverage and to spread it out like evenly. Okay, see, when I'm doing this, I'm going to zoom you guys in. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but when I'm doing this, you can see it's a little crusty. And you can also see stripes. Obviously, I really don't like that. You see, this is exactly what I thought. It's going to, I don't know the English word for this. It's kind of like crumbling and coming off. Awful. Oh my goodness. I don't know. Do you guys see that? Right here. So right here, something is missing. There's not like a wow factor. It's not super radiant. It's actually a bit dull. And then once you put on a little bit more, so maybe it's not buildable. I have no idea. But it looks really crusty. So this is the concealer. This is the Cover Up Concealer in Alabaster. This looks very light. I find it a little hard to find a good shade match. It's really hard choosing colors based on the pictures on the website. Wow. I don't know what's happening. And this is not because the concealer is too light. Can you see what's happening? I don't know if you guys can see it, but look at my forehead. I feel like I have no coverage at all. Like I still have a dark circle. This is disappointing so far. And also when it comes to the prices, it's like these are, I would say like drugstore prices. Foundation was around 10, but let's say like Maybelline has really good foundations for less. And the concealer, like the H Rewind concealer, it's also around 10 euros, I think. No, everything about this is just horrible. And I actually really wanted to like it. I don't even want to finish my makeup. I was really curious to try out this Do It All Stick lips, cheeks, and eyes. And this is glow. Oh, it's a glow stick. Scheiße. Okay, anyways, this is the bronze glow. I thought that this was a contour stick kind of thing. Oh, it's really shiny. Okay, so we are kind of going to bronze up the face with this and give it a hopefully a little bit more radiant, a little bit more of a J-Lo glow. It's not going to be a harsh contour today. I'm just going to give it a glow. Wow, it was super glowing. It's not really glowing, but it's more glittery, you know? It's really hard to judge because now I don't know if the base is going to make everything look really bad, so it doesn't matter what I'm going to put on top of all of this, you know? But so far, this one looks pretty good, actually. What is happening? Look at that. It's literally coming off. It looks worse in real life. Can you see my pores? I think on its own, this glow stick is pretty okay. Okay, 100% not mad at the glow stick. I love that one. And the base is also like, the base looks terrible, but I think if I'm going to put this contour stick on a really good base, not a contour, glow stick, I think it's going to look really good. So I'm happy to give this one another try. Does this packaging remind you of something? The gold and the black and white? Looks and feels a bit powdery. You can even hear that. So this is the Illuminating Sunlit Gold highlighter. No, 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 no. It's so powdery. Oh my god, I thought H&M would do so much better. I mean, I don't think it's that hard to make decent products. I just feel like it's made with not so much love. I'm missing a little bit of love. A spice of love, passion. Okay, we have a blush right here. This is the Pure Radiance Powder Blush. Again, love the packaging. They are good in designing. I love the color. I don't get much on my brush. Maybe it's very pigmented. I swear I'm trying. I'm not sure if I'm going to like anything at all. Maybe the eye products are going to be phenomenal. This is the Smoky Nudes Eye Color Palette. Love the color range. Cool tones, I like. Okay, so I'm just going to put this color right here. Loving the color. And pigment. This can look beautiful, and sometimes when you just blend it, you can't even see the eyeshadow anymore. So hopefully it's not the case here. Okay, and I'm also going to put the same shade on my lower lash line and really smoke it out. Okay, now I'm going to dip into the darker colors. So we've just used this color, and I'm going to dip into this one. And I'm just going to deepen the crease. Honestly, I'm not mad at this. I think it looks good. Are they the best? No, definitely not. But is it bad? No, definitely not. So these colors actually remind me a lot of the Dose of Colors Cool Palette, which is one of my fave. I'm also going to make this part really smoky by using the darkest color in the palette. With my finger, I'm going to take a little bit of this glittery shadow and just put it on my eyelids. This looks really pigmented and beautiful on my finger, but very dry on the eye, unless you use quite a lot. It looks cheap to me. The glitters are kind of like matte looking, and it sounds weird, but can't explain it. I do miss some radiance, some glow, like really shining, glistening shimmer. Okay, not my best eye look. It's like an okay palette. I would never spend 10 euros on that palette because I do think you have really good drugstore ones. 10 euros is not a lot for a palette, especially with so many colors, and the colors are beautiful. I do think it's okay if you're kind of like starting out and you want to like experience with other colors and you're not sure which palette you're going to buy. But other than that, I do think there are way better palettes on the market for 10 euros or more. So, okay, I couldn't find a lot of things for my brows, but this is a brow liner and this doesn't come with a spoolie, which is interesting. I thought this was going to look more ashy than other colors, but this actually, whoa, what the hell? I don't know if you guys can see it, but the point is super thick. For example, I always use this one from Benefit. It's almost impossible for me to create a good looking brow with the H&M brow pencil. It's really hard, especially like without a spoolie, to make something out of this. So I'm not going to touch my brows because okay, then I have this eye pencil. This is a Color Essence eye pencil. I think I got one in black and one in brown. Okay, so I'm going to put the black one on top. Wow, super buttery, extremely soft. So it almost glides too fast. Oh, there are glitters in this thing. Okay, so I'm just going to blend this a little. And when you blend it, it's not as pigmented anymore, but it's okay-ish. Going to try the brown color in my waterline. Wow. I'm impressed with that one. I think the color looks really nice. It's not black and it's not like super brown either. It's kind of like a cool brown chocolate color. Love. Let's see how long that is going to... Oh, love. Yes, finally. Terror. And I can't, like, I have to put so much pressure. It almost hurts my eye. But okay, I'm not mad at this one. Just know that you have to work pretty quickly with that. Okay, I'm going to curl my lashes because I got a mascara. And I always curl my lashes before mascara. My eyes are so dry today. The mascara that I got is the Perfection Precision Mascara. This can either be really good or really bad. Usually I do have to admit that I don't like super new mascaras. I like it better after a couple of times using it. So she's giving me length. She doesn't give me volume, but it's okay. You do have to be careful with this because if you are not, it can look a little spidery. Like Russian roulette. Like you don't know when it's going to look too much. If you have really short lashes, you might like this mascara, but be careful because you can easily apply too much. I think also if you have like really short bottom lashes, this might be a good one as well. Okay, this is a lip liner and this is the Spice It Up lip liner, which is almost exactly the shade of my lips. I like the color. I actually like the lip liner. Because it feels a little dry, which I like. I mean, that's completely personal. I don't like the glide on super smooth buttery lip liners because that way I just feel like it won't stick to my lips and I can't work really precise with that. So yeah, I prefer a lip liner like this. I actually really like this. And then I got myself the matte lip cream and it says new formula. I don't even want to know the old formula, to be honest. Oh, that's way more mauve-y than I thought. Okay, this is not really fair because this is going to ruin this whole look. So I'm just really going to blend this. The smell is awful. I would never order a shade like this. I thought it was nude. And as I said, it's pretty hard to have an imagination of what these colors look like. I do have another gloss. This is the Showstopper gloss in cream rose, and this looks really nice. So hopefully it's not like a transparent kind of thing, but more of like a pigmented gloss. slightly pigmented and a tiny bit pigmented. It does feel nice. It looks nice. Pigmented? Absolutely not. Wow. It does feel really moisturizing though, I have to say that. It feels really nice on the lips. It looks nice on the lips, and it's also not too oily and also not too sticky, which is really good. I think I look terrible. Like when I look in the mirror, I do think I look terrible. I really don't. This is not me. This is not my thing. I expect products to be, you know, of decent quality. I wasn't expecting to be blown away by all these products, but I wasn't expecting something this bad. I'm just being completely honest. This is my experience. Maybe you love the foundation. I have no idea. Maybe you love the concealer. But for me, it's absolutely a huge no. I'm really curious if you guys have tried H&M products. Do you love something? Am I missing something here? Do I have to try something? Like, please let me know, because yeah, no, yeah, Primark was even better than this. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Save your money. Save it, sis. Give it a thumbs up if you liked this video, thumbs down if you didn't. If you have suggestions for me to try another brand from another store or just one brand makeup tutorial, then please let me know. I would love to do it. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, subscribe to my channel. I would love that. I don't know why I'm doing this cheesy heart right now. And I would also love it if you would follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.